Hello learner, welcome to the second module on multiplication. In this module, we will see the application of a Vedic sutra called Urdhva Tiryakbhyam or Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. In English, we can call it as crisscross method of multiplication. We shall see how to use this method to do 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number multiplication in a very efficient way. Also, we will compare a general method which we were used to learn and practice in our primary school days along with our crisscross method of multiplication. First of all, we will see a 2-digit number multiplication, both with a general method as well as the Vedic mathematics method. So first, in general method, what happens, how we should do it? 8 into 4, 32, 3 carry, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 3, 11. Next, here we have to put some symbol like this. 8 into 6, 48, 4 carry, 6 into 2, 12, 4, 16. So answer is 2971. 1792 is the answer with the help of general method. Now let's see with the Vedic maths method. 8 into 4, 32, 2 here, 3 carry. Next 4 into 2, 8, plus 8 into 6, 48, 56, plus 3, 59. Carry is 5. 2 into 6, 12, 12, 5, 17. Answer is 1792. By this time you must have observed in general method we have to do 3 steps to get the answer. But whereas in Vedic mathematics we got in a single step only we got the answer, and that too quite a faster way compared to general method. Let's try to understand the process behind this method. So let me write a mnemonics here. 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 1 cross 1. So first 1 cross 1 is nothing but 8 into 4. So 8 into 4, which is nothing but 32. Next 2 cross 2 is nothing but 2 into 4 plus 8 into 6. 2 into 4 plus 8 into 6. So total is equal to 56. Next 1 cross 1 will be 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is nothing but 12. Now how exactly we should do in the exam or wherever it's necessary? 8 into 4, 32, 3 carry, then 2 into 4, 8, plus 8 into 6, 48, 56, plus 3, 59, 5 carry, 6 into 2, 12, 12, 5, 17. Answer is 1792. So like this we can apply this method to get a multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Let's see 3-digit number multiplication, both by general method as well as the Vedic maths method. In general method, 8 4s are 32, 2 here, 3 carry, 4 5s are 20, 23, 2 carry. So 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Next, so 8 into 3, 24, 2 carry, 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17, 7, 1 carry, 3 into 2, 6, 1, 7. Next, 8 into 6, 48, 4 carry, 6 into 5, 30, 34, 3 carry, 6 into 2, 12, 3, 15. So total answers will be 2, 7, 15, 1 carry, 7, 4, 11, 12, 12, 13, 1 carry, 5, 1, 6, 1. 1, 6, 3, 5, 7, 2. So that's the answer by general method. Now we will see Vedic maths method. 8 into 4. 8 into 4, 32, 3 carry. Next, 5 into 4, 20, 8 into 3, 24. So total 44, 44 plus 3, 47. 4 carry. Next, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 6, 48. Total 56. Then plus 5 into 3. So 56 plus 15. Nothing but 61, 71. 71 plus 4. 71 plus 4, it will be 75. 7 carry. Then 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 6, 30. So 36 plus 7, 43. 4 carry. Next 2 into 6, 12. 4, 16. Answer is 163572. Again here in general method we supposed to do 4 steps, but here we have only single step, and that too quite faster compared to general method. Now let's try to understand the process behind this method. So let me write a mnemonics here: 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2 again, 1 cross 1. Okay. So first 1 cross 1 will be 8 into 4. 8 into 4, 32. Next 2 cross 2 will be 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4 plus 8 into 3. So it will be 24 plus 20, 44. Next 3 cross 3. So now 3 cross 3 means it has to go something like this. 2 into 4, 2 into 4 plus 8 into 6, 8 into 6 plus 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15. Let me straight away write it. So total it will be 8, 48, 56 plus 15, it will be 71. Next 2 cross 2 will be 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 5 into 6, 5 into 6, nothing but 36 total. Next 1 cross 1 is 2 into 6, 2 into 6, which is equal to 12. So this is how we solve 3-digit number multiplication with the help of this Vedic maths method. Okay. So let me just again simplify this. Suppose if you have 3 numbers like this. Suppose if you have 3 numbers like this. So first method 1 cross 1 is nothing but these 2 numbers will be multiplied. Next comes a 2 cross 2, which means these 2 numbers multiplied plus these 2 numbers multiplied. So this is 2 cross 2. So next comes 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means, let me write again separately here. 3 cross 3 means these 2 plus these 2 plus these 2. So this is 3 cross 3. So next second 2 cross 2 will be from here to here and then here to here. This is second 2 cross 2. Then last 1 cross 1 will be this one. So this is the process behind this particular type of question. Okay. So hope you got it. This method of Vedic mathematics is very useful when we are handling 3-digit numbers which are something like this. So where they're having zeros in middle. Okay. So now here what happens. So in this case 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 1 cross 1. Here this 2 cross 2 will not be there and this 2 cross 2 will not be there. Let me just prove it to you. So 1 cross 1 means 6 into 4, 24. Next 2 cross 2 means 0 into 4 plus 0 into 6, but total answer will be 0. Next 3 cross 3 will be 3 into 4 plus 6 into 7 plus 0 into 0. So total it will be 3 into 4 it will be 12 plus 6 into 7 42. Total it is 54. Next 2 cross 2 nothing but 3 into 0 plus 0 into 7 again 0. 1 into 1 again. Last 3 into 7 that is 21. So answer straight away you can write 4 here. Instead of writing 2 as carry you can write 2 here. because the next 2 cross 2 will be 0. Next 54, 4, instead of writing 5 separately, so we can write 5 here only because the next will be 0. Next last 1 cross 1 will be 21. So this is our quicker answer for this particular question. Lastly, we will see a 4-digit number multiplication both by general method as well as the Vedic maths method. 3 into 2, 6, then 2 into 7, 14, 1 carry, 2 into 2, 4, 1, 5, 2 into 1, 2. Next, 6, here we will put a into mark here, 6 into 3, 18, 1 carry, 6 into 7, 42, 1, 43, 4 carry, 6 into 2, 12 plus 4, 16, 1 carry, 6 into 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 4 into 3, 12, 1 carry, 4 into 7, 28, 1, 29, 2 carry, 4 into 2, 8, 8 to 10, 0, 1 carry, then 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 5 into 3, 15, 1 carry, 5 into 7, 35, 1, 36, 3 carry, then 5 into 2, 10, 3, 13, 1 carry, 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So if we add up all these numbers, we will get, so 6, 8, 4, 12, 2, 1 carry, then 3, 2, 5, 5, 10, 1, 10, 1, 11, 1 carry, then 9, 9, 1, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21, 23, 3 here, 2 carry, then 6 to 8, 8, 7, 15, 5, 1 carry, then 5, 3, 8 plus 1, 9, then 6. So answer is 6, 9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 6. So this is the answer with the help of general method. Let's see Vedic maths method. How to do this? So first it will be 1 cross 1. So 3 into 2, it will be 6. Next, second 2 cross 2, which means 7 into 2, 14 plus 6 into 3, 18. So total it will be 32. So there was no carry. So let me write 2 here. So carry now it will be 3. Next, so we have to do like this, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 7 into 6, 42. So total it will be 58 plus 3 carry. So it will be 61, 6 carry now. So next it will be 4 cross 4. How? 1 into 2. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 5, 15. Then 15 plus 2 so far. Then 2 into 6, 2 into 6, 12 plus 7 into 4, 28. So total we will get 57. So 57, previously it was 6 carry. So total 63. So again 6 carry. Now it is a turn for 3 cross 3. 1 into 6 plus 7 into 5, 35. Then 2 into 4, 8. So total it will be 49. Previously it is 6. So 55. 5 here, 5 carry. Next, 1 into 4 plus 5 into 2, 10. So 10 plus 4, 14, 14, 5, 19. So 9, 1 carry. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is how fast and in a single step we can get the answer. Let's see the procedure, how to do this. Since it's a 4-digit multiplication, so mnemonics will go like this: 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, again 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2 and 1 cross 1. So let's just fill it up. So first 1 cross 1 is nothing but 3 into 2. So let me just write it here. Two 4-digit numbers like this. So first 1 cross 1 will be these two like this. So that's nothing but 3 into 2. So total it is 6. Next 2 cross 2 will be these two like this. So here it should be 7 into 2 plus 3 into 6, 18 plus 14. So total it will be 32. So we will write 3 2s are 6 here, 32, 2 we will write here, 6, 3 carry. Okay. Then 3 cross 3 is nothing but, now we have to consider these three together, these three. Same way, this into this into this, plus this into this. So here if you consider that, it will be 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 7 into 6. So total 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, then 42. So total you will get 58. But previously we had 3 carry. So total it will become 61. So now it is 1 here and 6 carry. So this is 3 cross 3 done. Now it is 4 cross 4. So 4 cross 4. So let me show it separately here. So this 4 cross 4 should go like this. So this into this plus this into this plus this into this plus this into this. So this is 4 cross 4. Let me just write it. 1 into 2 plus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 7 into 4. So total I think 2 plus 15 plus 12 plus 28. Total 57. 57. So previously we had a carry of 6. So total it makes up to 63. So here comes 3. Again 6 is the carry. So now again 3 cross 3. So now that 3 cross 3 will be like this. These 3. The last 3. Okay. So it is something like this part. These 3. Then same logic. 1 into 6 plus 7 into 5 plus 2 into 4. So total 6 plus 35 plus 8. So it will be 49. So previously carry was 6. Total it makes up to 55. So 5 will be here again 5 carry. So now it is 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means first 2 here. These two like this. Okay. So here it is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. So total it will be 14 plus previous carry 5. So now it will become 19. So here comes 9, 1 carry. Next the last 1 into 1 will be this one. 5 cross 1, 6. 5 cross 1, 5. But previous carry that is 1, total makes it to 6. So answer is 6, 9, 5, 3, 1, 2, 6. Let me again repeat the procedure here. So let me take two 4-digit numbers like this. So first 1 cross 1 will be these two number multiplication. So this is first 1 cross 1. Then second 2 cross 2 will be these two. So this is 2 cross 2. Next 3 cross 3 will be, so these 3 together. So this is 3 cross 3. So next it will be 4 cross 4, which means so this into this plus this into this plus this into this plus this into this. So this is 4 cross 4. Next 3 cross 3 will be, so these three. So this is 3 cross 3. Again same logic. So like this only we will be doing it. Okay. Then 2 cross 2 will be the last two, these two. So again crisscross like this only. Next 1 cross 1 will be this last two part. So 1 cross 1. So this is how we have to do 4-digit multiplication by this Vedic maths method called Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. In 3-digit multiplication, we saw that if 0 is coming in middle, then the multiplication technique is so easily can be applied. And the same thing, it applies to 4-digit also like this. So here we have two zeros in the middle. Let's see what happens in this case. 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 1 cross 1. So this is the syntax of 4-digit multiplication. So here 1 cross 1 will be there, 2 cross 2 will not be there, 0, 3 cross 3 will be 0, 4 cross 4 will be there, 3 cross 3 will be again 0, 2 cross 2 will be again 0, 1 cross 1 will be there. Okay, so this is a very easy one. So whenever we have these kind of numbers, so applying this method will be very handy. So 1 cross 1, here 9 into 2, 18. So straight away let me write 18 here because the next 2 cross 2 will be 0 there. So carry we don't have to worry. Next 2 cross 2 will be 0. So in that place we have written the carry, that is 1. Next 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 is nothing but 0 into 2 plus 0 into 9 plus 0 into 0. So overall 0 only. So let me write 0 here. Next 4 cross 4. 4 cross 4 means 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 2, 12 plus 9 into 8, 72. So total it will be 84. So let me write 4 and also the carry 8 also let me include here because 3 cross 3, next 3 cross 3 will be 0. 6 into 0, 0 plus 8 into 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So 84, let me write it there. Next 2 cross 2, again that will be 0. 6 into 0, 0 plus 8 into 0, 0. So again 0. So let me put 1 0 here. Then 1 cross 1, 6 into 8. So 8 into 6, that will be 48. So answer is 48084018. So when we have the numbers something like this, then this method is very easy. So we will be having only 1 cross 1, 4 cross 4 and last 1 cross 1 here. So here the last 1 cross 1 is 48. So this is how easy we can apply this method and we can get the answer. Actually, this technique is very efficient. Maybe for the first time you are watching this and you might find it difficult, but trust me, if you practice more and more question, based on this technique, definitely you feel good about this method. So please do practice more questions on the same technique and you see the speed increase in yourself. Okay. So there is a practice sheet attached to this in a description box. So please go through that and try solving that with the same method. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.